It is Halloween Eve, 2010, and I'm making a driving video going through Detroit, as I'm also going to continue the video until I get to Ponderosa in West Dearborn, which is right off the Ponderosa. And it would be nice if they say the sign for Van Door Street so I can get there to get the lunch prices, because I can't believe it's this fucking late. The lunch prices only go at 4 o'clock. And I haven't eaten since I ate at the Mandarin buffet yesterday. And got everything. Yeah, it's expensive. I think it's sort of to an advantage. Because right now I think Canadian currency is worth less than U.S. currency, but it's very confusing. This thing is okay. How the fuck did it get over there? Shit, that looks okay. I can't do a damn fucking thing. It's upside down, that's the problem. You gotta flip every video. Yeah, everything seems to look okay. So I can't do a fucking thing about it while I'm driving. Just want to stay on Tunnel to Canada. God. You have to go through to get in and out. Evan to Awe, Toledo, Flint. That's the same Evan knife that goes through Toronto. No, I mean Tampa, not Toronto. On to or Chicago. That's where I'm going, is the Chicago area. You're going to spend Halloween in the Chicago area. There's only one good club that's in the suburbs. I want to spend it in the suburbs. I mean, it was a fucking nightmare going into Toronto. I don't want to go into Chicago. Of course, Toronto was a bigger fucking nightmare. Toronto was safer than... Well, that's a myth that all of Chicago is unsafe versus Detroit, where most of it is unsafe except for the downtown area. Oh, God, I hope it don't slow down. Shit. Well, hopefully we move once we get past the big... I think it's... I'm not sure. Everyone's required to move over, you know, some people wait. Oh, that's an accident. And that bumper is fucked. And that's easily... On a conservative estimate, that's if you can attach it back on. That's $750 minimum damage, right? Just for that fucking shit. There's no other dents and everything. Might not be worth fixing the dents, just so you can have your bumper attached. Everything's so fucking expensive. It cost $9. I mean, the buffet was around $11. Most of them in Toronto, but that's not just the buffets, it's any restaurant. Oh, this fucking sucks. I'm not sure where I passed Evan I because I just saw the sign for it, but I'm not getting on Evan to Awe. Oh God, I hope it's not. I hate to miss the lunch prices. That would fucking suck. But something tells me that's what's going to happen. It's only got a half hour left. Fuck. I gotta get the debit card out, the one that I couldn't use in Canada. Start spending money on that. I have plenty of money on that right now. It's so fucking hot in here. So it's gonna be about, I don't know, at least 150 miles before I can stop for the night. So that miles for Chicago, and they don't, you know, if you go down on to or from the Twin Cities, you don't start seeing miles to Chicago until you get to Madison, Wisconsin. It's about 150 miles. It's at least 250 miles from here. So I'm already making shit fucking time. What else is fucking new? Oh god, this fucking sucks. I moved good until I get to here. And then it fucking jams up into a fucking nightmare. And my watch is still on Central Time, but unfortunately it's... At least tomorrow I gain an hour by... So I might even head over to Maryville, Indiana or something for a Golden Corral or Tinley Park or... Where Steve Dahl sang a song about Tinley Park. Not Tinley Park, but Wally Phillips. Oh, Wally. My husband's a homosexual, but he still listens to, oh, Wally. I'm so worried about my son Bobby. His father makes him play baseball in the nude. I said that actually I was riding the Metrotrons. I don't know if anyone heard me. And when I was in Toronto, I don't know if she was being a fucking cunt to me, but I was making my video riding the streetcar. I said I may not be able to ever go to Toronto again, and right after I said that, she said hallelujah, hallelujah. Now I don't know if she said that because of what I said, which means she was a fucking cunt, or was she just talking about someone else? Well, I guess I gotta pay like an extra $5 for Ponderosa. I'm getting some shit out of luck and I gotta pay it. It sucks. I had a lot of rampages yesterday, especially as they're in the driving video when I went to Mandarin Buffet, because I didn't know. I had trouble finding it for one thing. Mandarin Buffet, they have good quality ingredients and everything. How much is left? Evan Erda. So I got about 11 minutes left. I gotta stop the video in 11 minutes. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna fucking make it for the lunch prices. That fucking sucks and fucking blows. Detroit was only about maybe X miles from after crossing the border. This is probably the only, well, by the time I get out of Ponderosa, it'll probably be X o'clock or beyond. Oh, it's gonna have to put down at least another 150 miles or so. We'll probably get Motel X in Kalamazoo. It's probably where I'm gonna stop for the night. And then it'll be at least 100 miles into Chicago after that. Got a full tank of gas. In Canada, what $5 to fill the fucking tank? Where I think even if you convert that to US dollars, I still think it's more than what it costs here. It looks so good, $1x10 for gas. Yeah, that's $1x10 a liter, not $1x10 a gallon. Because they're on the metric system. Most of the world is on the metric system. I'd like to look it up. Probably not until I get back home to St. Paul. And how many countries are on the metric system? I think even third world shitholes are on the metric system. I might have a chance. I'm moving now. My fingers crossed. Now I can get to Ponderosa and get the lunch prices. I haven't even seen any well, it's all raining and everything, so I can't even see the buildings of Detroit. This is the first time I've been in. Yeah, Detroit is a place you just want to pass through. But next time, well, no, the parking probably sucks. We gotta pay up the ass for parking. Chicago, yeah. My anxiety was sky fucking high going out to a club in Toronto. But there's some people in Toronto are scum, but it's not all that bad. And even with Chicago, you hear about the crime, and people are a bunch of stupid fucking apes, and they believe all the bullshit they are told in the media. But Chicago is not all of Chicago is bad. I mean, people are so fucking stupid. They even think the suburbs, they think the whole Chicago area is a ghetto, and it's not true. Most of Chicago is nice. But the good news, the good thing about it is people are kind of leaving Illinois, which actually kind of keeps the rents down. And you have the same thing in Chicago that you can get in Los Angeles and New York. The same things that you have there, where it's a lot cheaper to live. Still not affordable. Very few places are. The only places that are affordable are places that suck. You want to fucking live someplace that sucks. But it's actually hurting some places. It's and this is Republicans' viewpoint of view. Both Boise, Idaho, and Boise, Idaho, and Salt Lake City are experiencing a gay invasion because a lot of people are coming there. He said coming. He said coming. A lot of people are coming. He said coming. I changed my words. They're moving to even Salt Lake City because there's a big gay community. Is that a Tron? No, I haven't seen any Trons. I'm not gonna have time for Tron. I'm hoping to get the South Shore Tron videos tomorrow. Might have a little bit of time. But I have to know the schedules. I'll probably stop in Michigan City. And in Michigan City, the Trons go down the street. But yeah, gay people are moving to, a lot of gay people are moving to Salt Lake City and Boise, Idaho, because the cost of living in both Los Angeles and San Francisco are so fucking horrible that they're going there. Where it's a lot cheaper to live. They had, somewhat of a gay community there, so it's Dearborn. That says Dearborn, that's not West Dearborn. Oh God, it's gonna be close. If I don't get lost and the traffic's not bad, I have a chance of making the lunch prices. I won't have time to take a picture. I'm in Dearborn already. I hope to get the lunch prices if I can find it. I have to kind of rush in there. I don't have time to take any pictures. Finding it is part of the battle. It's not Dearborn, it's West Dearborn. It's fucking pouring today, but it's a traveling day anyway. It could be worse. It could be snowing. Toronto's getting hit with a major storm. I don't know if this is going to be as bad here. Very heavy winds. It's going to last 36 hours. There could be flooding and shit like that. Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm going to have to stop this and make a part E of this video.